If tracking your work feels like a constant battle of remembering timers and guesswork hours, Timely might be on your radar. It promises automatic, almost invisible tracking, but does it actually deliver? Let's dig in. Timely isn't your run-of-the-mill time tracker. It uses AI-powered automatic tracking called the memory tracker that logs your computer activity in your apps and websites without you lifting a finger. On top of that, it offers AI-generated timesheets, project reporting, and capacity dashboards. In this review, I'll break down how it works, the latest pricing, what users love, where it misses the mark, and whether it's worth it for your workflow. Timely stands out by automating the time tracking process. Memory Tracker automatically records your app and browser activity so you don't need timers. AI timesheets learn from your past entries and suggest the right project or client with just a few clicks. Detailed reporting and dashboards show project health, team capacity, overtime insights, and billable versus non-billable breakdowns. Mobile and desktop sync enable manual entries and approval workflows with GPS and activity logging when needed. Invoicing and budget tools help you track budgets, create invoices, and export timesheets. Team capacity planning dashboards give managers real-time views of workload, utilization, and time distribution. Rich integrations with tools like QuickBooks, ClickUp, Zapier, calendars, and more, making it easy to slot into your stack. Timely offers 3 pricing tiers per user, billed annually. Starter, $9 per month. Great for freelancers and micro teams. Includes automatic tracking, AI timesheets, basic reporting, and up to 20 projects and 5 users. Premium, $16 per month. Adds unlimited projects, team management, budgeting, cost rates, and in-app support, ideal for growing teams. Unlimited, $22 per month. All in, with unlimited users/projects, advanced capacity tools, overtime insights, Azure AD support, 50+ currency billing, and dedicated customer success assistance. Most users say they just work, and their time is recorded. No brain power required. Sleek, intuitive UI. A polished, easy-to-navigate interface that's way cleaner than traditional timesheets. Accurate reporting. Detailed insights into project time, budgets, capacity, and productivity. Strong support. Responsive, helpful customer support and coaching for setups. Privacy conscious. Your activity stays private until you log, review, or submit it. Where it falls short. Premium pricing. For teams over 5 users, you'll need premium or unlimited, which adds up quickly. Not always perfect auto-tracking. The AI can mislabel browser-heavy activity, meaning you still need to clean up your memory logs. Mobile app isn't as smooth. Users have reported glitches and inaccuracy when using mobile tracking. No payroll built in. You'll need to export or integrate with payroll software separately. If you're sick of starting timers or forgetting your hours, Timely automates the grind, letting you focus on work, not tracking. It's ideal for consultancies, agencies, creatives, and anyone who values accurate, effortless time capture and rich reporting. But if you just need a basic tracker or are budget sensitive, it may feel overkill. Timely turns time tracking into a background task you barely notice. Powerful, insightful, and designed to streamline your workflow. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's the one time tracking feature you can't live without? I'll see you in the next one.